When you're doing up in the air centerpiece, as I instruct in my schools, there's only 3 ways to do them. This is who was in my classes? You were, who else? This is master's class stuff. That's so easy. So, repeat after me. All line, all mass, mass to line.
On line, on mass,
All line,
all line,
all mass, or mass to line. So you need to know about 3 things to be a top designer. One of them is the difference between a line flower and a mass flower. A line flower is flowers running down the stem. A line. Pussy willow, forsythia, a branch are all line materials. Got it? And a mass material is a ball on a stick. This is a mass flower versus a line flower. So if they want it up in the air, these brides come to me. I explain to them, oh, you're in that 2 to 250 a table? Let's do an all orchid design. Sounds expensive, doesn't it? I can do it for 150, 250. So here's your line flowers. This is the cheapest way to do it. These are dendrobium orchids. Sounds expensive, they're not. These are like $1.50 a stem. What deck am I doing?
Lower deck.
Just stick them in the lower deck. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So it'd be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 o'clock. Okay, then I set the height. What deck am I doing? Penthouse. And look how they're all leaning out the way they grow. 1, 2, 3. Then what deck is left to do? Upper deck. So this is the least expensive way to do it. This is lemon leaf and a little bit of Italian uke thrown in. And it's quite a glamorous look for $150 to $250. Just depends on how many of these I put in. I think it's real pretty. It's not hard. So now I have some extra ones, plug any holes, spin it around. And Shabbat is going to set on pedestal number 1, the short one, for the least expensive. This is the cheapest way to do it. And orchids come in green, white, lavender, which will fit any wedding. But let's say she's having a green wedding, so then you just bring in the color of her wedding with roses, or in this case, hydrangeas, and you just plunk that color a little at the base, if it's a green wedding. Get it? So we're introducing your colors so they know they're at the right wedding when they walk in, because there's green centerpieces. So that is an all-line design. How long does it take me to make? 4 minutes. 4 minutes times 20 is what? 80. 3.5 hours. And I'm charging her $3,000. So in 3.5 hours, my profit is, there's a 3 times markup plus labor, about $2,400 for my morning of work. Put that on the lower pedestal. So there's your all-line design. Very pretty, right?